Panic in Anambra as Nigerian military invade Anambra community, burn several houses as residents flee. Troop of the Nigerian army has invaded Uli community in Anambra state, forcing many residents to flee their homes. Several videos of the invasion seen on Thursday showing soldiers pouring a liquid substance suspected to be a petrol on the houses after driving out the occupants as they burned down their structure. In one of the videos, an armed vehicle is seen pulling down an uncompleted building. On the 13th of December, the Nigerian army troop invaded another community in Ebonyi State, arrested several local vigilantes, and took away their guns, despite the suspected Fulani X-Men has attacked the community a few months before the invasion and killed 17 people. Sadly, despite the attack by suspected X-Men, neither the soldier, Nigerian army, nor any other security agency has intervened in rescuing the helpless residents of the community. During the invasion, the soldiers destroyed several houses, looted small business in the community. To date, the military authority has not yet confirmed nor denied the invasion, nor give any reason for invading the peaceful community.
Damage everywhere. Everywhere the damages. Everywhere the damage. Everywhere Gurago. Had damage everywhere. Yeah, no, you are going to see. And I walk on a medium. Then you everywhere, all of you are everywhere. Yeah, all of okay, but I could say la ligne. Let my brother have below the Chile on Chuka, Majama, Hipelo, Lama Hale. Leola. Yeah, Banna more than yeah, Bannam. Yeah, Bannam more than
just take heart. Oh? Just take heart.
Leola. There's Umre. Lobasata. Tabo Monde. And there's Ubatra village at Omudu Haman Patuli. Had I made many houses? How there are many houses, like how there are many houses. How there are many houses, Lee. But nevertheless, yeah, compound of Benamudi, Aurago. Yeah, compound of them. Everywhere I go. Everywhere I go. Does he everywhere I go. She got it. Lion, I know my uncle. How damaged you are, Bam. Oh, Gurago. If I am a man, I'm a putuli. If I am a man, Niana, everywhere I go. If I am a life, now I'm putu. If I am a